Hello, welcome back. Uh, finalizing, oh, yes, finalizing with what the system really requires. So, only to come out with a specific term, that is the virtual assistant, and the author plus the affiliation and country. Problem statement doesn't change. To say a few virtual assistants are all the AI programs, so problem solvers, and in this case, I'm solving a research problem, that is reducing the typing problems, error typing problems. By using this virtual assistant, can do the typing for you and research for you according to what you're asking for, researching relating to whatever of your request. So, not forgetting the AI's ability to read out sentences and the words from the user's research. Therefore, problem of bias on the web as well as time, which is the worldly treasure on the land, on the run. Okay. Agents with AI. So, agents of AI, these are just an agent. The best AI agent is the one which is smart enough to resolve problems without human intervention. The agent takes in input from the environment through sensors and delivers output the environment through actuators. Those are the effectors of the actions taken out. What the action, you can say the output. But for my project, agents like smartphone, laptop will be my AI sensors for input and output delivery, you can say. So furthermore, an agent may be a sole decision maker and learner. For this case, we are reflecting to the nose, have like the reflex agents with state, and this is how the interface will look. May look like, have the agent and I use interfacing the environment through the sensors and giving actions to the actuators, and this is what it is retrieved from the environment, what the world will be like, action, and what have you. So what's the environment for the AI? Well, an environment in artificial intelligence is the surrounding of the agent. It helps the AI acquire data and lessons are taken form. For this project, environment like internet network, offline, electric devices, interfaces will enable my AI collect lessons from them. The environment can be anywhere, the surroundings, as I gave you, like you can consider an example of a baby learning from its surroundings. It's the parents, whatever is contained in the environment, and it stores its information. So just to reflect on the notes, fully observable versus partially observable, those are some of the properties of the environment. That is, an agent sensor is capable to sense and access complete state of an agent at each point in time. It is said to be fully observable environment as it is partially observable. So continuing that's my project. My project will work with this form. Hopefully there's maintaining a fully observable environment, which is easy. This because I hope there is no need to keep track of the history of the surrounding. That's it. So conversation dataset. With the dataset of this project, to explain, this is progress in machine learning is often driven by the availability of large datasets and consistent evaluation metrics for comparing modeling approaches. To this end, we present a repository of conversation datasets consisting of hundreds of millions of examples and extends evaluation procedure for conversation datasets, conversation response selection models using 1 to 100 degrees of accuracy, you can say. So this is some continuation of the conversation dataset. Just say this dataset will enable my AI learn very well from the user's interaction with it. That is it. So come to the searches, that is the uninformed and the informed searches. With uninformed, algorithms have no additional information, as in they have no idea of what is really going to take place. That is, information on the goal node other than the one provided in the problem definition. For this case, consider a form of the depth first search, that is first in, first out, considering an example of a treasure hunter trying to dig but digging deeper. For instance, that of those like digging for oil, they dig going deeper. So that's how I'm saying, like for this depth first search, using the first in first out, assuming like you are piling plates in a cupboard, you're retrieving the one that was inside first, assuming they're already in the side. So you're taking the one that is at the most bottom. That will be the one to come out first. So with the informed search algorithms have information on the goal state, which helps in more efficient searching. That is, for instance, the greedy, which is an algorithmic paradigm that builds up a solution piece by piece, always choosing the next piece that offers the most obvious and immediate benefit. To explain more about this, the informed search, meaning that it already has the AI already has an idea, maybe has ideas of what you may need, so it gives you references. Accountability, who is accountable for whatever result of the AI. That is, for this, I think for my AI will be accountable for data analysis, conversions, conversations, and reducing bias. But in addition, it is vital to look for system level governance elements such as documented technical specifications of the particular AI system. Compliance and stakeholders access the system design and operation information. That is some simple explanation of the accountability. Accountability for AI also means looking for solid evidence. So whatever happens or whatever the outcome, who may be accountable. In conclusion, we consider the following references, and thank you for listening.